Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great grandiose day. You know, we outside. We ain't done an outside video in so long, man. Sunshine and whatnot. Y'all can see it gleaming. Looking real beautiful, man. I really needed to get out, man. Really did. You know, I felt myself getting frustrated from being inside, and I felt like really being a little bit entrapped and in prison, whatnot. Cause I'm gonna be honest, I don't want to be here. And the thing is, to the point, you know, I talked about me packing up my stuff and I wanted to leave. You hear me? But the thing is, I feel like, you know, trapped off of some stuff I don't have yet, but I will have. That's what I'm gonna go today. I'm gonna make some phone calls and we're gonna make some moves about if we're going today. You hear me? Now this nigga wants to start to whine as soon as I start to turn the camera on. This nigga was not whining before I had the camera on. That's from my DOG. But anyways, we're gonna say what we gotta say, cause it's been on our mind. Feels great to actually be outside filming here. Yeah, it's sun too. But like I said, you know, maybe that was a sign to stop talking about that, but move on to something else. We'll go with that. But you know, the thing about it is,